What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be demoing this cup holder style coin holder sent to me by JoyTutus for this video. As you see here, this is the gray, which is kind of see-through. You can see the springs in there. It is also available in black, holds pennies, dimes, quarters, and nickels. As you see, it's fairly deep, so it holds quite a bit of each. This holder is approximately 3 inches across on the top, 2.5 at the base, and 3.7 inches tall. And they say that this is made out of a smudge-proof, sturdy and durable plastic that can hold a high capacity, which is just about $15, maybe slightly more, 35 quarters, 31 nickels, 45 dimes, and 40 pennies. And as you can see, it fits in the cup holder, and it's pretty quick and easy to add and remove change. As you can see here, not any issues with snagging or hanging up. Now, if you're like me and you already have built-in coin holder, you could always get this should you want more coins to carry. Obviously, it fits in a nice array of cup holders. That's why it has the tapered fit on the bottom. So let's see, we tried that one. Fits back here as well. And we can try the door pockets here. Fits that one. And even the little one. So I mean, as long as you don't have ridiculously huge or ridiculously tiny cup holders, fits pretty universally. There we are. I have some change loaded into it, and the cool thing about this gray one, since you can kind of see through it, is you can actually see how many are in there. I don't have that many in my truck right now, but I have a full stack worth that was in this factory holder of nickels, and you can just see it right there. There's like 10 of them in there, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. And if you don't want the cup holder style, they actually do have another one that's more of an inline style, kind of like I have down here, only it has a cover for it. As I'm talking here, there'll be a overlay showing the style that I'm talking about. That one is approximately half the cost of the cup holder one. It's just a matter of preference. I will link both of those down in the video description if you want to buy them online, again from JoyTutus. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, subscribe for more videos like this, check me out on all the socials, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.